Christmas tree. Oh, can I please, please have that bird? That Christmas joy I once had as a boy. That There's a bright star shining tonight I have never seen before. It makes the snow come alive with a light, like a spotlight on the glistening winter floor. And I'm thinking of you and how I'm just nearby. I know what I gotta do. I must give it a try. So won't you come out with me tonight on a Christmas stroll through a wintry town? It's a lovely sight when the city's in this gown. So come on and take a Christmas stroll with me tonight. We can take a shortcut through the park, walk real close, holding hands there in the dark. Have some hot chocolate in a deli store. Now doesn't that sound like something worth opening the door for? So won't you come out with me tonight on a Christmas stroll through a wintry town? It's a lovely sight when the city's in this gown. So come on and take a Christmas stroll with me tonight. Life is much too short.
Life is much too short
to let it pass us by. So take a lead.
Everyone knows that Christmas should be white. Then cry
cold December day, we are on our merry way, riding along, just singing a song, barreling through the snow. Bells are jingling, snowflakes tingling, Rudolph knows where to go. On this cold December day, I am piloting my sleigh. The work to be done on my Christmas run is the most tired chore. No girl or boy without a toy, so giddy up, Rudolph, my dear. 8 pair of antlers, onwards ever go. Dasher and Prancer, moving through the snow. Eight pair of antlers, onwards ever go. Dasher and Prancer, moving through the snow. On this cold December day, on this cold December day,